We're going to talk about a few things. We're going to talk about styles. Styles are a way to change the character, the paragraph, or an object to give specific characteristics that we can save and use later for other elements of our design. One of the things that you can do with text that will give you a lot more information is show hidden characters. We can go up to type and then click on show hidden characters, and all these little graphics mean something. We're going to go through a lot of them over the course of this class, but I want you to know that these exist. For example, the backwards P is the end of a paragraph. The dot between two words is a space, so literally a space bar space. So I want you to know that those exist. We're going to affect our text that we've flowed in here into our text frames. First thing we're going to do is we're going to change the paragraph style. We're going to use the paragraph styles. So what I want you to do is, with your text tool, click in once in the left text frame and do Command A, and that selects all. So that will select all of the text that is flowed in there, including the text that you can't see. And then we're going to go to the character styles in our panels on the right. If you do not see character styles, click on Window, go down to Styles, and click on Paragraph Styles, and it will bring it up. So we're going to click on Paragraph Styles, and there's a body copy paragraph style already programmed into this file. So we're going to go ahead and click on the body copy. It changes it to Myriad Pro Regular, 8-point with 10-point leading. We're going to create subheads for the text, and we can use the paragraph styles to create our subheads. So we're going to do the first subhead, starters and small plates, and we're going to click on the subhead paragraph style. Then we're going to do the same thing for the entrees and desserts. If you click 3 times, it'll select the entire row of text in that paragraph. So click on subhead. And because the font size is bigger, it automatically flows to the right side, to the right text frame. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to use character styles. The character styles you use when you're affecting just a word or a small amount of words. The paragraph style you use for the entire paragraph. So we're going to choose Rosé Martini with the comma. And we're going to go up to our color swatches, and we're going to choose the red bright. And you'll notice that the red bright now is, the Rosé Martini is in red bright. Okay, so the other thing we're going to do to differentiate this particular text is we're going to change it to italic so it stands out in the paragraph. We're going to go up to the font, and we're going to change from regular up to italic. And now you'll see that the Rosé Martini is in italic. Now that we have selected a color and a typeface, we're going to save that so we can use it later. We're going to go to the character styles in the panels on the right. We're going to click on the 4 lines in the upper right, and that is the menu. And we're going to click on New Character Style, and we're going to name the style Red Italic. And you'll notice here in the style settings, it gives you all of the effects or all of the characteristics of that particular font. It's an italic, and it is red. Color is red bright. We're going to apply the style to the selection, so make sure that's clicked. We're going to deselect, if it is selected, we're going to deselect Add to CC Library. And then click OK. And you'll notice in your Character Styles panel, red italic now exists. So we're going to affect some of the other text in our paragraphs. We're going to select the zucchini blossom fritters or braised dandelion greens, and we're going to change it to the red italic. So once you've selected the text, you can come over to the red italic and click on the red italic and look at that. It's pretty cool. Next thing we're going to do is going to go We're going to select the orange ginger seared scallops or chive flour flatbread all the way to the period, and also change the red italics. We're going to select the lavender honey grilled chicken or fresh basil pesto. I'm getting hungry. And click on the red italic. And then the last selection is the violet macaroons or candied pansies. So violet macaroons or candied pansies all the way to the period, and click on red italic.